Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Welcome to Hisense at Home. Sure, this is not the all-expenses-paid Las Vegas press event we all hope for, but given the global circumstances and the fact they met my appearance fee, which was a custom marble statue of myself, Hisense has decided to pare it back a little this year. You're probably wondering why I, Joel McHale, actor, comedian, and one of Hollywood's top 5 favorite Joels, am sitting in this dump at what was supposed to be a glorious, larger-than-life Hisense launch event. Well, the answer is pretty straightforward. I was in the market for a new TV, and becoming the spokesperson for a TV company seemed like the easiest way to get one.
Close your eyes, feel the beauty in the power, defined by the two of us side by side. I hope to share a vision that is pure and clear.